first-time installation, please check the package contents. You will also need a quick release base compatible with your vehicle. Zestek offers ultra-slim bases for select models. Please contact customer support or your local dealer for details. First, remove the factory Gtr steering wheel. Remove the factory Gtr paddle shifters. Install the Zestek Gtr paddle adapter. Locate ACC power and connect the Zestek adapter. Connect the Zestek adapter to the factory paddle connector. Install the communication base wiring harness. Install the quick release base. Check clearance to avoid pinching the wires. Reinstall the factory bolt and tighten the quick release base. Connect the communication base to the wiring harness. Install the communication base, ensuring the flat side faces down. Tighten the communication base bolts. Install the SCX hub and steering wheel. Installation complete.